We've got a 1968 Chevelle Malibu, lived in Tennessee all of its life, has its original metal, number matched 327 motor, cold factory air, power steering, power brakes, just a nice cruiser of a Chevelle. Go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the information, look at all the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag on every car along with a monthly finance option. It's all at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next one's posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, this car lived in Tennessee all of its life. It was a one owner, I think, the first 12 years. We have the original registration cards, the glove box pouch with the manuals. I think there's a build sheet in there. So it comes with some really good documentation. There's pictures of that on our website. I bought the car 2-3 years ago out of Tennessee. We sold the car, and the gentleman just, I think, traded it in. So second time we've owned it. While he had it, he rebuilt the front end. It's completely new. Even the A-arms themselves are all new, nice black. Looks like a fatter sway bar, but ball joints, bushings, steering components, the whole front end is new. In back, he replaced the springs, and he did replace the shocks with coil-over adjustable shocks. It's got a nice dual exhaust system. You'll hear towards the end of the video. New brake hoses up front. In 68, they were drum all the way around. Solid, original floors, good solid undercarriage. So very clean, orderly, proper, solid, rebuilt suspension and steering. Let's check out the body. The hood, straight, clean, fenders straight and clean all the way down to the bottom here, nice and clean. All fits really well. Actually, this hood fits really, really well. All nice, clean, straight metal, real nice. Beautiful color. It's on our website. I'm guessing glacier blue, I think is what it was called. Metal flake is laid out nice, smooth, glossy finish. Back to the body, all clean, straight, lines up beautifully. No rust on this side either. All along the bottom here, no rust, clean metal, lines up real nicely. Shuts real nice. Original quarter panels. I was up in there with a flashlight, didn't see any cuts or splices. All nice, clean. Maybe a little body work right here. There's a couple little bumps right there. It's clean from the back side. It might have even been, they scraped it or bumped it at one time. But all clean, straight panels. Fits real nice around the trunk. Yeah, real nice body on the car. The paint shows very well. Anyone's going to walk up to it, it presents beautifully. Are there minor imperfections? Sure there are. This is a tape pinstripe, and it looks like there's a little piece missing right here, so I have to retape that. I've seen some chips down here, probably from the seat belt, hanging out when they close the door. So minor imperfections, but presents real nice. Original door handles are a little bit worn. It's got some freckling on the mirror. This looks really nice, but I noticed on the inside of it, where you don't see, it's got some pitting going on. The vinyl top's in excellent shape. No rust or bumps underneath that. Actually, there was a few little bumps underneath the back window. Front bumper, probably original. It has a little bit of freckling. The grille, I'm sure all that's original. It all looks good, but not new. Windshield's been replaced. That's crystal clear. The 327 emblems look new. The Malibu looks new. It has some, looks like 15x8 Corvette wheels, rally wheels. They look new. All the trim looks new. Some nice fat radial tires on them. I told you there's a few bumps that's in the vinyl right below this trim. There's some bumps there. The back bumper also probably original. Might have been re-chromed, the back bumper. Trim is good original. So let's open it up, see what it looks like inside the car. Let's see what we have in the trunk. Right under the trunk lid is nice, painted, has a sticker. The jamb is even nice and painted. And you have the factory seams and spot welds. I mean, some car guys go nuts over that. Weather strip is replaced. All nice, clean trunk compartment. It's been freshened up with some new spatter paint. Does have the jack and spare assembly underneath the cover here. Some spare belts are under there. That's a new washer fluid pump. Never been body off frame restored, just a good old honest Tennessee car. Good solid car. Door jambs are nice. Weather strips were replaced. Door panels are in very good shape. Armrests look good. Dash pad looks nice. The instrument panel, all this looks good. It's not cracked or cut up or beat up or broken. It does have an aftermarket tachometer and a gauge cluster down below. Heater controls look nice. Does have a newer stereo. We do have that glove box pouch I talked about. That's in the office for safekeeping. Got good carpet down on the floor. Actually looks pretty darn new. Walnut steering wheel. The seat upholstery is in really nice shape. Back seat's in really nice shape as well. Got the original seat belts. The rear speaker shelf's probably been replaced. And the headliner is brand new. I believe we just had that put in. Matter of fact, I know we did. So new headliner, working dome light, real nice visors. The mirror looks really good. So just like the outside of the car, I'm not going to call it brand new in here, but it's very nice. This is the VIN number matching 327 motor. Does have a newer Edelbrock 4-barrel carb with an electric choke. It's got some nice finned aluminum valve covers, chrome air cleaner, distributor, and the vacuum advance. All that looks nice and clean hiding back there. The air conditioning is a factory air conditioning system. It's got R134 Freon in it. The shroud, the radiator, the fan, all that looks proper. Hoses all look good. And we got power steering hiding down below the alternator. Got power brakes. Underside of the hood's painted. Someone put some goofy insulation in there. You can buy the nice foam insulation pads and just stick them in there. It'd look a lot nicer. Just a great cruise night car, nice Chevelle Malibu. Not every Chevelle needs to be a super sport. Got a clean, rust-free, appears to be unabused car. So it's not perfect, like this door handle's original, it's a little worn. But it fits right, it works really well. I mean, I can barely push it and the door opens. So that's what I'm talking about when I say unabused, but not a perfect car. You got a number match 327, factory cold air, power steering, power brakes. What more do you need? Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, like financing. They can get it delivered to your door. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe and then click the bell icon so you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.